other day I got Jake to print us off a new label for the big dustpan just to make it look a bit more professional. Kind of similar to that one, and I'm going to change it now. As a finished product, it looks a lot better that way. Thanks, Jake. Cheers. Thanks to Chris for the original design and Jack for installing. We've now got these brackets on each table, and I've gone and labelled them up. So here we've got marker surface cleaner, and then once you finish the blitz roll, we've got a marker here telling you where to restock it from. We've got it on both sides, so you absolutely can't miss it. So yeah, nice standard.
Okay, so today's improvement is the Kanban cards and the physical barriers for the stock that I have on the trolley. So once that is empty, we don't have a QR code on this one because obviously we have the stock that we need. So you'd literally place it up here, and then at the end of the day, or when you finish using the trolley, you can go restock it, put it back and put it on there. Jake very kindly done all the labels for me, so thank you very much for that. And then also put the pallet definitions on here for when we're building the pallets. So yeah, really good job.
As I'm making a lot of Kanban at the moment, I happen to click on anywhere on a big cork drive to then come back to it, and it's a bit of a nightmare, so I'm just going to drag this over here, get into quick access, then get to it just one click from now on.
An improvement on yesterday's improvement. The magnets on the back of these labels weren't strong enough when trying to attach and detach the sticky labels. A little bit of tape over gives a nicer surface area to stick the label on. It's still signposted nicely, and now you can easily attach and detach labels without making more of a mess and without this falling. Thank you. Normally when packing brackets, I've got a load of these down here, which isn't easy to clean, it's not very tidy, so instead I've bodged together some cardboard corners, got some glue in, made a nice tidy tray. The next step's some wheels, and that way I can keep it nice and premium. Thank you.
Jack very kindly got me some new drill bits, so I've labelled them where they belong, and I've also made a shelf and labelled it as drill bits.
So today I've been doing a job where I need this bar in the back of my machine, but every few brackets it keeps falling off, falling inside the machine. You have to go in there and get it, and it's not good, so gonna fix it. Here we go, just added 2 stronger magnets. No, it won't budge. Thank you.
Going to change this small bin, which takes probably half a day to fill up, into this big green bin and just swap them around. Now I have a more fitting bin that I can move with the shopping machine, and a big bin underneath the gluing table. So one of the robot's batteries are dead, it needs charging, and robot charging station is pretty much out of reach. I have moved them a couple of weeks ago to this side so I can reach them, but I think I prefer to put them under the rack where the parking is, so they charge where they need. I'll make the robot charging station just under there with the parking for the robot, with this black rivets, with the other white tabs where the rubber seals and vacuums are, and just modify this bracket a little bit, possibly, for the charger. So this is the robot charging station now, together with the robot. The charger's just there, the white tabs are together. This all wall by the exit for pre-packing. I have put privately ordered flags a few months ago, but I think it's better if I put them in the robot. So I will attach a bracket and stick them next to the robot. In the robot charging station I have added a bracket for the priority order flags, made them a little bit shorter so they fit. And yeah, I think it's a bit better. Don't have to walk all the way there to the door to get them. Or now the robots have start, stop description underneath the buttons, because I know some people went too short, and all the robots on the top of them got an instruction what to do with them when they empty. They send them back to pre-packing when they empty, after they make its way back. Thanks.
Time-saving improvement here when I'm making labels. So to add this little custom colour box here where we can fill in what RAL colour we've used, normally I'll have to go and open a file I know has it, which is the lockable parcel box in the custom variant. I'll have to copy and paste this little bit here into the new label. What I've done now though, I've added it to my colour swatches file, and I've added it in the exact position where I want it to go. So now all I have to do is highlight it, and I can use a paste in place function on Illustrator to copy and paste it exactly where I need it. I don't have to move it or resize it.
While laser 4 is out of action, we're cutting 2mm HR on laser 3, so all I've done is move the cutting parameters from the rarely used file on laser 3 to the cutting parameters file, just saves a few seconds each time I load a file.
It's a great job everyone. Thank you very much.